Can you believe this is my last video of the year, 2021? I have failed you in so many ways with all of the productivity, creativity going down. But we are here, I've made it, I've at least posted once every month, this year. So it's not great, but I did it, so yay. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys this hairstyle all done with a flat iron, and I wanted to let you guys know there is a code that is available for only a couple more days, and that is code Chloe60. So if you are in the market or want to buy somebody a gift of a flat iron, this is the premium infrared. Also, the Masters 1.5 inch with the keratin treatment, that is also available. My code Chloe60 is good on both of those, so that'll get you 60% off. And like I said, it's only available for a couple more days. So if you are in the market, go ahead and pick one up. If not, enjoy this tutorial. All right, let's get right into it. So I blow dried my hair last night, woke up like this, just a whole bunch of flip out, you know? I like blow drying my hair at night because I just feel like it takes too long in the morning when you're trying to get ready. It's like the whole thing. So if you blow dry at night and you go to bed, then you don't have to take a shower in the morning and you're like halfway ready. Does that make sense? Probably to some of you, not all, but it makes sense to me. Okay, so the bottom of my hair, no matter what hairstyle I'm doing, I usually straighten it. So that's what we're going to do today. Turn on the infrared. You have to press the power button twice to turn that on, by the way. The infrared just allows for lower temperature of heat, and it like helps your hair retain all of its moisture, and you can actually use it like on dirty hair, and it helps make your hair not smell bad. How that works, I don't know, but it does. It's pretty cool. So if you have the stinky hair, you know, or you just worked out and you want a little refresh, just put this at the lowest setting and literally just run the infrared over it. It helps it. I don't know why. I'm not a scientist. I don't know how these things work, but it does. Okay, so I'm just doing like a very light straighten on it. I don't really care to get the flip out because we're curling our hair today, so I'm not going to spend much time on that. Just wanted to get the roots done. Okay, so for this hairstyle today, I'm going to show you guys a little trick. If you have flat hair, which I woke up this morning, my hair was very flat. So what I'm going to teach you guys, whoa, I have so many gray hairs. I literally just got my hair done too. Okay, so what you're going to do, take your teasing comb and you're going to tease it right to the root. You can like lift up your hair if you want to. All right, don't use any product. Take the flat iron, press that down, and that'll keep the tease all day long. So that is my little trick if your hair does not hold tease or if it's very flat. And then I'm going to do this on every section of my hair today. You can use hairspray or texture spray as well. I don't know. I like to use it at the end. For my hair keeps a tease pretty well, so I don't need all the extra product. All right. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna take our flat iron and you're gonna like put it at an angle and kind of bring it forward. There we go. And then I manipulate the bottoms to where I want them to go. Somebody actually DM'd me. I tell this in most of my tutorials. Some people don't like watching the full-length tutorials. I get it. You don't want to sit there and watch it. Totally understand. People like the fast motion stuff, but you miss a lot of the little tricks and tips if you don't watch the full thing. So somebody was like, well, I'm curling my hair with the curling iron or the flat iron. I've used all different sizes. But why is my hair sticking out still if I have short hair? It's like, well, because you're curling your hair and then the ends like are short, so they stick out. So you need your flat iron to manipulate those ends to put them where you want them. So that's what I do. Okay. So here I'm just curling my hair all in the same direction on the bottom. Bottom layers I really don't care about positioning, like switching the position. It's more like towards the top where you can see stuff. So here, just make it easy. And I just curl it all in one direction and then I do it away from my face, both sides. Can you believe 320 and I still get these curls on my hair? Crazy. Now, depending on how thick or fine your hair is, really depends on how low you can turn the temperature down. My hair really likes 320. 320 to 350 is where my hair really likes it. So kind of mess around, start lower first, and then if you need to bump it up and go higher, you can. Also, the smaller sections you take, like the thinner sections, the more your hair will curl. The slower you curl your hair, the more curly it's gonna get. So if you take big sections and you try low temperatures, the heat's not gonna penetrate, sorry, nose itch. If you take big sections, the heat will not penetrate all the way through every single strand of hair, so it won't curl as well. We're almost done with this section. We'll move on. I probably will skip through the middle section and then I'll end on the top sections just to make this video a little shorter. All right, here's the second section, completely done. And we are heading on to the last. Okay. So I have been parting my hair mostly like, it's not quite like a deep part, but it's a this part, just a regular part. For a long time I was parting it down the middle, loved it. And then I was doing like a super deep part, loved that too. But now I think I'm just wanting to switch things up just a tiny bit. So this has been working for me, really like it. I go through phases. You know, I go through phases. Okay, so we're gonna start back and we're gonna tease. Now on this top section, I really like to not have it look super teasy. I like it to look polished. So right here, I'm gonna brush all the top down, just like that. So there's no like flyaways or bendy pieces. And then I'm gonna lift it up, get right to the root. That's what I love about this flat iron, is you can literally get right to the root of the hair. It's amazing. I love the sleek, like how thin it is. It really works really well. All right, let's tease this back section. So when I tease, I like to brush down and then like take out. So I don't like do this, right? That's just a mess. That is a mess. We don't want the tease to be in the middle of the head. There we go. We want the tease to be close to the root. So I start right here. You see that right there? And then I push down. And then I brush up and then I push down. And I brush up and I push down. So all the tease should be right here. Very clean, very nice. And then again, just brush that top out so it's not crazy. Hold it up straight. My card got folded, so I had to switch it. But what I was saying there is on the top section, I'm gonna do alternating directions. And I'm gonna take very thin pieces so that the curls are very defined on the top section. Just like that. And then I'm leaving quite a bit out at the ends because I do like that straighter look at the end. I don't want my curls to go all the way down to the end. I like them. And I want room to be able to manipulate the ends as well. I pull that down by my eye so it like does a little curtain bang. Just like that. All these ends look pretty good to me. I don't really feel like I need to run anything through them quite yet. All right. Let's move over to this side. So we want this to be able to frame the face too, a little curtain bang, just like that. I like to have all my hair go away from my face in the front. Just frames the face a little better, and then we will have a curl towards the face. Let's do it a little up higher. There we go. And away, just like that. Keep going. There we go. I'm gonna finish the back and then I'll be back. Okay, there we go. Everything's curled. Now we're gonna just brush the top to see, you know, how you want it and where you need a little extra tease to your preference. I'm gonna just swoop down underneath everything and give that midsection just a very light tease under there. There we go. Same thing with this side. Just like that. Oh, perfect. Spray hair, medium hold hairspray. That tip is clogged. Let's try another. Medium hold hairspray. There we go. And then I like to just push it up, and then I like to kind of claw at my hair and then push up like this. More volume. Do the same over here. More volume. More. There you go. These are all with a flat iron. Can you believe these curls? They're so cute. So cute. So cute. Love them. Love them, love them. I'm really loving my hair this length right now. Like, it's giving me all of the big hair vibes that I've been wanting for so long. I think that's why I'm growing out my hair. I just want big hair. I might get an extension like put in, like just so it's bigger. I just want more. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, if you are looking to get a flat iron, this one is still available. This is the premium infrared 1.5 inch, and you can use my code Chloe60 to get yourself 60% off of the flat iron. That's crazy. Anyways, enjoy everything about this holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll see you guys in my next video.